Hey, I didn't see you there. I did. I'm lying. All right, here we go. So I want to show you guys a real easy stick trick that you guys can do. We've been doing a lot of rudiments and a lot of plans, so I want to show you an easy stick trick you can do. All right, watch real close. Here you go. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, that was it. Real simple, right? Do it in slow motion. All right, so beat one is you go right here. Bam. You got to let that stick in that arm right there. Let it stick right there. Wave that right hand. This is in my left arm, so wave your right hand right here. Take it back again. You're here, and put that stick in your arm. You go from here to, boom. You got it there. All right, you see it? It's in my left arm. And then you take this left stick, and then you go, bam. And you should be making like an L right here. I know that it feels kind of crazy. You should be making an L right now, all right? So let's take it back. So you go from here, you go bam, bam. Let's do it again. Let's do it again real slow. All right, so you're here. All right, you should have like an L going on right here, all right? All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this right hand, you're gonna grab the butt, B-U-T-T, of the, don't laugh. Some of y'all laugh just because I said the word butt. Come on, guys, grow up. Even the cameraman laughing. All right, you're gonna take your right hand and grab the butt of the stick like so. Bam. Now you're here. All right, let's take it again. Take your hand off the butt of the stick, or the end of the stick here, and go bam. Take it back. Bam. Take it back. Bam. And you're here. So let's do those three movements. You got 1, 2, butt. Take it back again. You have 1, 2, butt. Grab my butt, and then boom, grab the other butt of the stick, and then you're here. So watch the whole thing real slow. 1, 2, butt, here. Butt meaning end of the stick. Come on, guys, grow up. You guys need to grow up. You're on YouTube, right? All right, let's do it again. So you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. So let's put a drum solo with it. So let's go here. Down. Again, and. Down. Again. Easy stick trick. You can do it. You can do it. Just put your mind to it. Peace.